Hi, I'm Kate from Sew Craft Cook. This is a super quick how-to video on threading a needle and tying a knot. Take about 20 inches of thread, or 60 centimeters. Grab yourself a nice sharp pair of scissors and snip the front end of your thread as well. That is because it will give you a nice sharp edge to help you thread the needle. The grain on your thread actually runs from the front through to the back of the spool. So that means if you cut the front, you're going to run with the grain rather than against it, which is also super helpful. So take your needle, just pop it onto the end of your thread, pull it through. Now that was all very easy, but sometimes it's not that simple, or you've got a very tiny eye of your needle as well. If that's the case, you can use a couple of little tools. This little one here is an aluminium needle threader, and it's got a teeny weeny hook on the front. If you pop that hook through your needle and then put your thread over the front of the hook, hold your needle and pull it back through, it will thread it super easy. You may also have seen or have one of these nice little ones as well, which is a wire one. It's got a nice little loop of wire on the front. We pop that through the eye of the needle, and then we thread that little piece of wire instead of the eye. Pull it through, hold your needle and pull it back through that way. Now normally when you sew for regular stitching, you'll use a little tail and then a longer tail. Keep the little tail around about 15 centimeters or 6 inches long, and when you pull it through your fabric, you'll need to hold your needle and the two pieces of fabric at once. To tie a knot, take the end, wrap it around your finger, roll it down with your thumb, grab it with the next finger and pull it through. That leaves you a nice little messy knot, which means that it will be nice and solid behind your fabric and won't pull through. If you're doing a button or you're actually sewing with a child, cut yourself a longer piece of thread, say 35 inches or 80 centimeters. And then you double up your thread, which will give you a stronger thread because you've got two strands. Simply tie the same sort of knot in the back and pull it back through again. It will make it tougher, and it will also stop you having to worry about holding the two pieces of thread and your needle when you're pulling back through. Just make sure when you do pull back through your fabric that both of them come through at once. I hope that was useful.